Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good afternoon, everybody. My special thanks to the internal quality assurance cell of our college who have organized a webinar entitled Online and Digital Education, a key area to focus in present and future. I take this opportunity to welcome you all for this webinar on the auspicious days of this Teacher Day celebrations. National Education Policy 2020. A significant focus has been given for online and digital education to ensure the equitable use of technology. The National Education Policy envisions an education system rooted in Indian culture that contributes directly to transforming India's sustainability into an equitable and vibrant knowledge society by providing high quality education to all and thereby making India a global knowledge superpower. This national education policy is the first education policy of the 21st century and aims to address the many growing developmental imperatives of our country. The recent rise in epidemics and pandemics necessitates that we are ready with alternative modes of quality education whenever and wherever traditional and in-person modes of education are not possible. In this regard, the National Education Policy 2020 recognizes the importance of leveraging the advantages of technology while acknowledging its potential risks and dangers. It is important that the use of technology for online and digital education adequately addresses concerns of equity. E-learning. It is not a new concept. We know what is e-learning. It means electronic learning. Here emphasizes is on learning and E is just a mechanism given by Professor Bakshi. Challenges. No doubt in it, whenever we enter into any new area, we have to come across various challenges. In e-learning also we have to face number of challenges. Some of them are there are numerous challenges to conduct online examination at scale, including limitations on the types of questions that can be asked in an online environment, handling network and power disruptions, and preventing unethical practices. Certain types of courses or subjects such as performing arts and science practical have limitations in the online digital education space, which can be overcome to a partial extent with innovative measures. Further, unless online education is blended with experimental and activity-based learning, it will tend to become a screen-based education with limited focus on the social, affective, and psychomotor dimensions of learning. Role of teachers in new normal education system. The new roles of a teacher in higher education. Tech savvy teachers in ICT skills. Now we have to go and we should equip ourselves with ICT skills. It is a need of the hour. Manage virtual classrooms and discussion forums. Proficient in development of e-content and MOOCs. Technology is just a tool in terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them. The teacher is the most important. Bill Gates. Technology won't replace teachers. Some people they are afraid of when this e-learning develops, teachers will be absconding. No, it's not like that. But teachers who use technology will probably replace teachers who do not. Professor Bakshi. Positive thinkers have a solution for every problem. Negative thinkers have a problem for every solution set by Stay Positive, that is anonymous. Creativity is the key to success in the future, and primary education is where teachers can bring creativity in children at that level. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. When a teacher learns, a national leads. Quoted by Honorable Prime Minister of India. Now at this juncture, I cannot say that the online education is the only source. No, it is an alternative way of teaching. Because of this pandemic situation, we are supposed to select some alternative methods of teaching. So always we used to tell something is better than nothing. We cannot say that instead of interactive method of teaching, how can we can expect a better performance in online, but there is no other way. We have to go for some alternate way to teach and to educate our youths. So I take this opportunity to sincerely thank all of you for having active participation in this webinar. Thank you.